So now let us look at tool registries. So first let us understand what do we mean by tool registries. The definition of tool registries. So basically tool registries, they are a centralized catalog of all available tools. So tool registries, if we talk about, they are a centralized catalog of all the available tools. A centralized catalog all, of all the available tools is the tool registries. If we talk about the responsibilities of tool registries, so tool registries, we already know that they are a centralized catalog of all available tools. So it is like they contain information about all the available tools. So tool registries, they store the tool metadata. We know that every plug and play tool has got a self-descriptive metadata. So tool registries store the tool metadata, like the name of the tool, the version of the tool, the input output schema, the description, natural language description, like what the tool is about, what it can do. So tool registry is a centralized catalog of all available tools. So tool registry stores the tool metadata. Tool registries, which is a centralized catalog, it enables the tool discovery. Tool registries enable the tool discovery. So tool registries, it allows the agent to browse available capabilities. And tool registries, they also match tools to task. They match tools to task. So when a user request comes in, the registry helps the system narrow down which tools are relevant. So tool registry also plays a very important role wherein it matches the tools to task, wherein whenever a new user request comes in, the registry helps the system, it helps the LLM, the agent system, to narrow down which tools are relevant, so that LLM is not overwhelmed by 500 options at once, because this narrowing the relevant tools will help LLM a lot, because it will avoid LLM to get confused, to get hallucinated, because choosing from 500 options can always be error prone, but narrowing down will definitely help the LLM in deciding the right tool. So now it's very clear to us that if we talk about tool registries, they are a centralized catalog of all available tools. So tool registries, they store the tool metadata, like the name of the tool, the version of the tool, the input output schemas, and the natural language description containing the what the tool is about, what the tool can do. Tool registries, they enable discovery, they allow the AI agents to browse capabilities, and they also match tools to tasks. So tool registries, they narrow down relevant tools based on the user request, which will further help the large language model in choosing the right tool. Let us look at registry structure. So this is how a tool registry looks like. So this is the first tool. This is the second tool. Like that, this tool registry will have all the tools. So as we can see, for every tool, it is storing the tool metadata. For every tool, it is storing the tool metadata, like the name of the tool, the capability, and the API endpoint. For some tools, it can also store the API endpoint. So the idea is that when that tool will be called, automatically a particular API will be called. So we have another tool called search API. The capability is information retrieval. So this is what a tool registry looks like. So it is a centralized catalog of all available tools. So tool registry, it stores the tool metadata, which will allow agents to browse the capabilities, and it even helps the LLM in narrowing down the relevant tools based on the user query, user request.